Top most interesting facts about supercomputer. Fact number 1. Speed. Supercomputers are incredibly fast. They can perform trillions of calculations per second, allowing them to solve complex problems in fields like weather forecasting, molecular modeling, and cryptography. Fact number 2. Power consumption. Supercomputers consume an enormous amount of power. Some of the largest supercomputers require tens of megawatts of electricity, which is equivalent to the power consumption of thousands of households. Fact number 3. Size. Supercomputers used to be enormous, taking up entire rooms or even buildings. However, advances in technology have allowed for the development of smaller and more efficient supercomputers that can fit in a relatively compact space. Fact number 4. Cooling systems. Supercomputers generate a tremendous amount of heat due to their intense processing power. To prevent overheating, they require sophisticated cooling systems, which often involve liquid cooling or specialized air conditioning. Fact number 5. Parallel processing. Supercomputers rely on parallel processing, a technique that allows multiple processors to work together on a single problem simultaneously. This approach greatly enhances computational speed and efficiency. Fact number 6. Origin. The first supercomputer, the Controlled Data Corporation, CDC 6600, was introduced in 1964. It was capable of executing 3 million instructions per second, MIPs.